that sense of belonging. So I belong. When I say this, I belong to a specific tribe. I'm a part of this particular cult.
You need validation. Human mind needs validation for every little thing, every time.
Absolutely, and that is what almost 125, 130 years back, even somebody as giant as Swami Vivekanand, he wanted a lot of validation. रामकृष्ण परमहंस को कहा जाता था कि वो पैसा नहीं छुएंगे. So he wanted to try testing परमहंस, and वो जब लेटे थे तो पलंग के नीचे सिक्का रख दिया था, and he jumped up, Ramkrishna Paramahansa, and that is where he got his validation that what Thakur is saying is absolutely right. Smita ji, now does chakra dhyan, or maybe the science or the art of balancing chakra, is it something similar, or is it something close to progressive relaxation that we see a lot in the West?
See, if your chakras are balanced, you will automatically be relaxed. These are byproducts. Progressive relaxation का एक meditation है.
Right.
वो तो आप YouTube on करके उसको कर सकते हो जब चाहे. But that doesn't mean your chakras are balanced.
Right.
That's like a yoga nidra meditation, or all these kind of calming the mind meditation. बहुत सारा है. Net पे बहुत सारा बकवास भी है. But that doesn't mean your chakras are balanced with that. But if they are balanced, you'll automatically have this kind of peaceful sleep.
So now, is it, of course, it's the answer almost everyone knows, and you've already given this, that there is nothing wrong in being materialistic. There is nothing wrong in desiring things in the material plane. At the same time, if you have a wing out here and there is another wing called getting into your spiritual and the plane that is within you, the metaphysical plane. Jim Carrey, in one of your videos also I've heard, I heard this video from Jim Carrey in an interview. Jim Carrey said that I think everybody should get rich and famous and do everything they ever dreamed of, so they can see that it's not the answer to being happy.
Correct. Absolutely. Absolutely right.
So
absolutely.
Now, if you were to tell people that if you're in the pursuit of happiness, as Will Smith was in a movie, in the pursuit of happiness, what are the things that I need to avoid? Because क्या करना शायद लोगों से सुनते हैं, क्या नहीं करना. I might sound a bit on the negative side, why are you talking what not to do? But maybe coming from you, somebody who's practiced it and living it for last 3 decades and more, what are the pitfalls that somebody should avoid, or rather I should not even look at that direction, because not all experiences are worth enjoying or worth taking?
Hemadri, first do what you have to do. What you don't have to do will automatically fall out.
Amazing. What an answer this is. Amazing answer, because if I focus on what I need to do, I don't really need to get on to what I have to avoid.
I don't need, exactly. And what may be good for you may not be good for me. So for me, I need to avoid X. For you, you need to have X.
True.
So हर एक की लाइफ अलग है, हर एक की लाइफ के एक्सपीरियंसेस अलग है, हर एक की कंडीशनिंग अलग है, संस्कार अलग है. जो आपको भाता है वो मेरे लिए no, this is not something I can't do. So what you and your life requires is what you will know when you start on this path. So जो करना है उसको करो.
सही है.
So other things will automatically fall off.
Yeah, because possibly we all might be traveling together, but then like I always tell my wife, she's there on the screen, Sarita, that you are many births ahead of me. I still will have to take many janma to reach where you are, because the journey of your soul has already crossed many lives.
No, my dear boy, Himadri, you have no idea where each one's soul is. We just see from people's physical appearance or the way people talk and the way people behave or whatever react. Soul journey kiski kya hai pata bhi nahi chalega, because you don't know where your soul is first and foremost. It's again the metaphysical thing that I'm talking about. We don't know. हर एक की journey अलग है, and do not compare yourself with anyone.
That is the key to being happy. Comparison, kind of puts us off key, takes us off track, and then that is one sure way to be unhappy. Yes.
Yeah. In my class, when there are so many students, जब वो last को when I do the healing, here I can't do, if I'm doing it virtual, I can't do the healing process. But in the class when the healing is done and all that, some people have actually experienced. I've seen this and had to get that kundalini down. उसकी kundalini एकदम rise होके थक 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 थक, that girl was literally going vibrating so hard. The kundalini went up to her heart and she was feeling that love. It was literally vibrating. So the other people who were there must have felt कि अरे इसको ये होता है, मेरे को कैसे कुछ नहीं होता है. So I have to tell them, if these things happen to anybody, that doesn't mean she is higher and you are not. I'll tell you, I'll confess this. In so many years of my journey, so many processes I've done, अनगिनत. मुझे कभी भी उस प्रोसेस के टाइम पे कभी कुछ नहीं हुआ है. I've never experienced it. I always wonder कि लोगों के एक्सपीरियंस जब शेयर करते हैं, इसको ये हुआ, उसको वो. I one day asked my master, Dadashri ji, that ऐसा कैसा कि इतने प्रोसेसेस करने के बावजूद मुझे कभी कुछ भी एक्सपीरियंस नहीं होता है during that time. So he told me that how do you know what they're experiencing is really what they're experiencing or they are making it up? That's one. Right. Secondly, from the time you have started your spiritual journey till now, how much of the transformation has happened to you? I said phenomenal. I mean, I can't even put a scale to it. It's the way what I was 30 years ago and what I am now is a completely different human being. So it seems what for me, what matters is your transformation, not the experiences that you get.
Right. So, Smita ji, one more. I'm sorry.
Please keep asking. I'm enjoying the session.
I'm
very enjoying.
Which might possibly you might have an answer. You know, whatever we do in life, for example, I need to build a better physique. I would work out and my muscles over a period of time, they start getting up into shape. First, they need to break and then they join again, and that's how the strength increases. Do I also, if at all I need to get into chakra dhyan, to get into a more bit of spiritual experiences, does that also happen with discipline? Do I need to get into a specific protocol of doing it at the same time, same place? Or maybe I do it when I feel I'm ready to do it or I'm happy doing it?
According to me, my personal thing, of course, meditation best done is in the morning, right? But if you don't have time in the morning, you can do it any time of the day, provided you do it. Like I've been doing my chakra dhyana for so many years. I don't get time in the morning. The way of working was such that sometimes I have to travel and all these kind of things. I couldn't get time every time, the same time and same place. वो नहीं होता था. What I understand is whatever you call that divine or that God or whatever, when you're connecting to yourself, is you're connecting to your own divinity. जहां पे भाव है ना, वहां पे ईश्वर है. डिविनिटी वही है जहां पे भाव है.
ब्यूटीफुल.
तो भक्ति का मार्ग, भक्ति लोग करते हैं जो आजकल के ये हमारे संत जो है, वी गॉट दिस होल हिस्ट्री ऑफ सच सेंट्स. वी गॉट कबीर, संत मीराबाई, सूरदास, हजारों है. महाराष्ट्र में भी कितने सारे संत है. वो सारे भक्ति के मार्ग से ही संत बने हैं. दे हैव नो नॉलेज.
Absolutely.
They were not educated.
True.
Nothing. Absolutely. They were potters and miners and these kind of people. जहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं था उनके पास, सिर्फ भक्ति. So ईश्वर को, अगर divinity को, आपको भी, हमको भी, we are also a part of the divine, right? We moved away and we have forgotten about it. That's a different story. But if we are going closer, we are going closer to the divine. So divine को सिर्फ एक ही भाषा समझ में आती है, वो है प्रेम.
Right.
Which is our true self.